Hello, everyone. My name is Alana Kavanaugh. I am at the College of Mount St. Vincent, and I am your Sigma Theta Tau president for our Eta Sigma chapter. So I'm writing you today in a video format so that I can share some information with you about Sigma Theta Tau and what its role is in the international study for nurses. I will be having a special session called Getting to Know Sigma. If you are interested in joining this National Honor Society, this orientation or Getting to Know Sigma session will be on Tuesday, November 16th at 11 a.m. in Smith Hall. I'll send you some additional information with this email so you can learn a little bit more, but if you're at all interested, please feel free to join. I will try to live stream the event and send you that as well. If you have any additional information or questions, please send them over. All right, take care, and I will show you a quick 15-second video about Sigma Theta Tau.
If you want an easy job, you don't become a nurse. Nursing is one of the world's most rewarding professions, but it's also a challenging one. Throughout your career, you'll encounter difficulties you expected and difficulties you didn't. And you'll rise to each challenge using your own innate strength, along with the resourcefulness and creativity you've developed along your journey. You've already used these tools to surmount obstacles and achieve excellence. That's the strength you'll continue drawing on and building on as you confront new challenges. But you won't do it alone. Every nurse leader knows that the support of your peers is essential and invaluable. Together is how we improve health for people all over the world. Through a network of nurses who share your level of commitment and achievement, real relationships with people facing your same challenges, and the continued education you need to make informed decisions and share your discoveries throughout a rich and successful career. Sigma is there for you.